Good morning all. It's a very brisk, chilly, cold but not raining Melbourne morning, and I'm at one of the local suburban bay beaches today, and I've been here about half an hour and lots of rubbish. The first coin for the day is in the scoop. And there we go, out of the scoop. And it's a 20-cent piece. I'll take that one for sure. And a few minutes later, just poking its little head out there, I can see something, and it's another 20-cent piece. That one was just below the surface, so that goes into the collection of huge lead sinkers. Beauty. And just near the huge lead sinker, the unmistakable sound of a 50-cent piece. Beauty. I like those. Shiny one. Nice tone here. So that's encouraging. Let's have a look at that. Out of the hole. Right there. Hooray! Big money. $1. And it's a centenary of Federation coin. 1901, 2001. Yay! Dirty old dirty, probably a bottle cap. Yay. Okay. Yeah. Yay! Big one. $2. Beauty. Okay, back there is where I got the $2, and that's where I got the $1 coin beside it. Now, there's my drag mark, my scoop. So I'm going back on this theory, if I film it, it will come. So let's have a listen to this. So it's solid. Okay, big here. Oh, you can hear that, can't you? There it is. And it's another $2 coin. Lunch is looking really good today. And what I thought was rubbish, but because I like to dig, I dug. And yeah, sure, there's a bunch of things in there, but there's something I just spotted, which not that. Oh, it's come out the back. There it is. And I don't know what this is. It's a coin. And it's a foreign coin, and I'll have a little bit of a close look at that and try and work out what this is. Back in a sec. Well, even after a close look, I can't identify it. It's an alloy of some sort. It's got a gentleman on the back with glasses, what looks like a cleric or something like that, and I think I can make out the numbers 25, 2 and 5. So I have to do a bit of research on this fella and see what we come up with. looks like a 20 cents. And it is. And 1981. Beauty. Deep hole. That's a strong 32. Good, because I'm getting hungry. Dig here. There we go. Dollar coin, beauty. $19.94. Awesome. Here I am, right in the tyre tracks, and I wasn't sure what it was, so I didn't film it, and it turned out to be a 2-cent piece. So I'll take that. One could argue this is the stairway to heaven. For me, it's a stairway back to the car and to lunch. Oh yeah. Halfway. Okay. Changed speakers, and this is the first decent target I've got. Now I've got the scoop out. So I've certainly got a strong target there. And let's just have a look at, see what's inside. Life is like a box of chocolates, and so is detecting. Oh, there it is. I can see right now it's a 1-cent piece. And it was actually under that rock. Rock? Money. Lovely. And as you can see, it's beautiful. Beautiful condition. It's new. Well, almost. Out of that hole there, and a couple of scoops. That's a pretty strong signal. Okay. Right at the end of the probe pointer. And you guessed it, another 1-cent piece. As you can see, I've been working in this little area here, which is about 2 meters square, and I've got two 1-cent pieces, and we've just got this signal out. So that requires investigation. Ooh. Interesting. Okay, let's get our hands onto that. Now that looks suspiciously like a piece of junk. Oh well. Hang on a minute. Maybe I was a bit premature. There's something else down here. Hang on a minute. Can you see that? right there. Don't know what that is, so let's pick it up and have a look. It is a nut, a copper nut. Let's wash that one in the water and see what we've got. A brass nut. Sky is grey and it's turning nasty. So I'm on the way home.